Hello, everybody, and welcome to Be the Brand TV. You are in the place to be to live your value, love yourself enough to be yourself so that you can lead with intention and purpose. If you remember a while back, I had Miss Charlotte Howard on the podcast, PBN Style, and I promised you she'd be back. Well, today she is. She is on Be the Brand TV, sharing with us 3 tips if you're struggling to gain traction in your business. She's helping you to get out of that with her 3 tips. So stay tuned. Your brand has value because of you, and your confidence to share that value comes from within. Congratulations for recognizing your need for change. Welcome to Be the Brand TV.
Hey everyone, it's Charlotte Howard back here, and I just want you to know if you're currently struggling to get traction in your business, I would encourage you to, number one, first, figure out who you want to be known for. Do you want to be a business breakthrough coach? Do you want to be a hairstylist? Do you want to be a doctor? Get clear on who you want to be known for. The next thing I would encourage you to do is to provide a solution to the audience that you are going to be helping, because you need to have that clarity in order to be able to help them as well. And the final thing I would tell you is create systems. Create systems to help you get the results that you need to create the breakthrough results that you deserve. Take care and have an amazing day.
That was fantastic, right? I really did enjoy those tips. I hope you did too. Listen, I understand starting a business or scaling your business up can be difficult. However, it is much easier when you take into account Charlotte's 3 tips. Systems is my biggest thing. I love helping people with their workflow. So, if that is something that you have been struggling with in your business, creating systems, then don't worry. I have a great worksheet that I'm going to share with you below. It is my workflow worksheet. It sort of guides you, and you can take each element of your business that needs a system and you can put it through my work through process. So make sure you grab that below. Listen, I really hope you enjoyed this week's video on Be the Brand TV, and let me know what you want to hear about next. I've got tons of people that I could have on the show, but then I can share tons of information as well. That's what I'm here for, guys. I want to help you be able to live your value. I want you to love yourself enough so that you can be yourself and not be so scared of that the fact that you may not be getting it right or that you have to compare yourself with other people. I want you to love yourself enough to be confident in being yourself. And when you do that, guys, it just makes leading with intention and purpose that much easier. So again, I hope you enjoyed the show. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I am sharing new content with you every week, as well as sometimes you might get a guest or two. How fun is that? And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that notification button so you know that when a new video comes in, you can watch it as soon as possible. And what else do I have for you? Oh, I'm excited. The holidays are coming up. Let me know what you want to see. I'm creating content every week. Have a great week, guys. Okay, guys, if you like what you heard, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and grab the information that I'm sharing with you below, because my job here on Be the Brand is to help you live your value, love yourself enough to be yourself, and lead with intention and purpose. Until next time.